Hey guys, so today we're making quinoa and peas. First, wash quinoa and set aside. Next, bring coconut milk and water to a boil in a saucepan. Here's a pro tip.
Consider adding 3 tablespoons of butter to the liquid before cooking. This gives you even more flavor.
Next, add onion, garlic, scallion, thyme, kidney beans, salt, pimento and pepper to the mix. Next, you're going to return it to a boil and then reduce heat to simmer for 10 minutes. Next, you're going to add your washed quinoa and bring it back to a boil. Then, cover the saucepan with a lid. Then you reduce the heat to the lowest setting and allow it to cook for 20 minutes or until the quinoa is tender and all the liquid is gone. Finally, you can fluff with a fork and serve your quinoa and peas. But here's another pro tip.
After you turn off the heat, leave the quinoa covered in the pot for 10 minutes before fluffing. This helps with better texture.